Good morning. It's the 3rd of September, 2021. Just to go over yesterday, I think we had quite a clear exodus out of some of the PGM space. I think Impala's was sort of one of the things that led the demise there, and some selling across that space into Sibanye and a few of the other plat stocks and gold shares. Um, I think we obviously had some quite important updates that came through. We had Discovery that came out with numbers that was an absolute shocker, and then FirstRand coming with some decent updates, and Sanlam one that was, I think, also a little bit weaker, and plays into some of our ideas for today. So just to look this morning, we've got Billiton's up a percent, Ria's up 2.8%, Rand's a little bit weaker since the close, and I think we're going to have a little bit weaker open. Just to look at Allsy's pretty much not done anything. I think let's look quickly at our futures. Our futures are pricing around 6,200 on IG. Nothing too out of the ordinary. I think the US is obviously grinding high ahead of NFPs later. So a few of our ideas. Truworths has come out with their numbers this morning. They do look better. However, we just need to be careful how the market takes it. There has been a sell around into these numbers since the update, and the stock did pop. So it's sort of priced to perfection here. I'd be watching closely to see how the market digests it. I do think they are right. I think let's watch to see if 6250 can hold, and maybe it can climb from there. So that's one of our ideas, maybe to look to enter a buy of Truworths. If it doesn't hold, and we just see that it doesn't hold 6250, then I think we can ascertain that it could be a decent shorting opportunity. FirstRand is one that came out yesterday, pretty decent numbers. I think the market's obviously priced it in or run quite hard into this update, but definitely want to properly look that we can buy some pullbacks. So any pullbacks to about 61.20 or 59.20, we'll be looking to add there. And then Sanlam yesterday came out with their update, which I thought was quite a bit weaker. Didn't really fall in a heap like Discovery did. But I think one to watch this morning. I can't really see. It's been trading in this channel for a while now, so I can't really see a catalyst to break above 64.50. So I think it's a decent entry at around about 64 for short, with the stop loss above 64.50. Targeting. I think maybe even to the low end of the range. But let's see how the market receives it. And then Sibanye, I think, is another one that is just one to monitor and keep on your watch list. I think 55, 56. There was a lot of volume done yesterday. Around 56, 55 is the level that we're looking at. I think one to keep your eyes on. Obviously, it capitulated with Impala's yesterday. Certainly, these charts, these PGM stocks don't look good. So I'd be very much, not look to be adding any longs here, and just to watch and wait for them to stabilize before you can build into any other positions there. And lastly, I think we're going to have a look quickly. We had Aspen yesterday that traded really, really well. Market obviously saw the results decently. I think just to give a little bit of a target, I think the stock, once it can get close above 200, we can really get going. I think back to recent, definitely to climb to about 230. Keep an eye on Aspen maybe as one that you can look to also own on pullbacks. 184.